Hiya ladies, well I've just recorded the last part of part 3 and unfortunately when I went to turn the camera off I realised it wasn't even on. I did press the record button but whether I double pressed it and it went off. So I've done the last two pages and I completely didn't get any of it recorded. So I'm just going to talk you through quickly what I did. This was the last page that we did with the pocket with the magnet up in this corner. All I did was, before I put the paper down into the book, I added my magnet on the back and glued it in the right place, down here somewhere, so you know. There it is, yeah. So it's here on the back of the paper. Just drop it down where it falls, lift it up, glue it, and that's that page. Now, for this page, I used a 12 by 12 sheet of Alice and the cat and the story. And let me tell you, the first cut I made was, when the page is all together, you can't see it all properly, it's sort of like that, okay? So the first cut you're going to make on your 12 by 12 paper is under where it says invited yet. The sentence is, I should like it very much, said Alice, but I haven't been invited yet. So right under yet invited yet, you want to cut the paper straight away across, okay? Then, this was originally up here. So then you want to separate the story from the cat. And I cut that, once I did, I cut the end off and I cut that down to, it's about 4.5 by 3.5. Yeah, 4.5 by 3.5. Mounted that on black card. I cut Alice down to just under this, where this pink rose is. So cut along the bottom of there and trim that off. And I cut that down to 6 inches by 2.5 inches, okay? And then mounted that on black cardstock. I used one of my off cuts of paper, a thinner one, obviously this thin, so you don't need to cut any more. Punched my border pocket, left a gap on each end, wrapped them round like I did the other pockets. It's the same thing. Put my really strong tape along the bottom, added the packet in, added the pocket on, cut a piece of paper to fit on there, added a magnet to the flap and to the back of the page before I put the page down in my book, okay? So then that just sits in the pocket. I'm sorry about that, ladies. I've just sat here for an hour thinking I was, well, 40 minutes, thinking I was recording, and I wasn't. And then I just applied glue to the whole of the back of my papers, and then I put them down in the book, okay? So that is the end of part. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry about that. I thought I was recording and I obviously didn't hit the button properly when I started. So I'm going to put my album away. Part 4 won't be available now until probably Thursday, because I've got some prepping to do now for my design team project on Friday evening. So if you'd like to watch that, if you're not a member of the Trinket Parlour, come over onto Facebook and join the group. We've got 4 design team members that are always doing projects, and then we've got Emily, the owner, and Laura do a project every other Tuesday, and then we've got a couple of ladies that do some cards tutorials for us as well. So there's always something going on. Come over and join the group. It's fun, we have a laugh, and just share inspiration, really. So thanks for joining me. Sorry about the last pages and not recording. I will see you tomorrow for part 4. Bye bye.